National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Dale County in southeastern Alabama, southern Henry County in southeastern Alabama, until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles southeast of Abbeville, moving west at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Abbeville, Headland, Ozark, Fort Rucker, Midland City, Newton, Kinkard, Newville, Hailburg, Bells Crossroads, Huntfield, Waterford, Tumbleton, Kirkland Crossroads, Granbury Crossroads, Mapson, Snells Crossroads, Ewell, Headland Municipal Airport, and Dancy. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Henry, Alabama,